Well, good morning. This is, as promised, my little webinar, little informal, impromptu webinar, giving you some of the examples and some just introduction, just basic, brief introductions to what is available for technology out there when it comes to the distant education and learning and training. What you're right now seeing is what they call Screencastify, which is the webinar. Right now, I'm sharing my screen, but you can also see me in the bottom right corner so that you can still have that face-to-face interaction and communication. You can also share where there's not any of my face at all, but you can also share where there's only my face or just the screen at all. So what you see here is availability of being able to do the webinar, which you can see my screen and I can work through with you, but you can also see me available. Down here on the bottom left, there's actually also what they call you can annotate. So there's various things and tools just at my disposal. For example, a pen, if I needed to highlight something or talk about something in various colors or whatever it is that I can discuss and say, here is what I'm referring to when I talk and that kind of stuff. So you can also worry about when you want to erase it and get rid of it after you've talked about it, so on and so forth. So this is just a brief little example of what's available. This is what they call Screencastify. So what you see is Screencastify is an add-on to the top right of your screen. So just like over here where I have extensions, this top right portion is the extensions part. This is Screencastify. So the free version is actually you can use this free version and go up to 5 minutes. And then, of course, there's a paid version. So this is what's also available when you do the Screencastify. So this is like one of our data entry pieces and that kind of stuff, which I'll talk about later. There also is another thing called Insert Learning, which I also will show you in a few minutes. There's also other things called Ed Puzzle, where you can annotate videos and that kind of stuff that is already available on the website. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick little hello introduction. This is Screencastify. See how I can manipulate the screen, show the screen, annotate the screen, the various things which you can use within 5 minutes. As I see, that's the only kicker, is that sometimes you just got to get used to the tools as well.